Ah, the fresh mountain air. And the noise is back in the G6 here. Brr. Yep, our old fixer-upper. And let's see if you can hear it when I start it again. Hear that? Annoying. Trying to figure out where that sound is coming from. Pop the hood here. Yep. So, if you watched my last video, I did find in the back here, take the beauty cover off, which I have to remove that. Can't do that for a front. Replaced both tensioner pulleys, actually both idler pulleys and the tensioner pulleys. So this has two idler pulleys, tension pulleys. Replaced the belt, and we still have this sound. See if we can hear it. Push on the flanks. Where's that coming from? So, moving the beauty cover. Come on. Once again. This is where I had a bit of a that leak. Is that the sound? Is that where it's coming from? I don't know. I don't think that's going to make a difference. It sounds like it's coming from somewhere deeper. So the tensioner pulley down there, it's right down there. I want to see what that does while I'm revving it up. It's hard to get anything in here to test to see if my intake manifold's leaking, but I could have a leak on the intake manifold right under here. That could be something too. Maybe replace that gasket. That might be my next thing. Is it losing oil? All this driving we've been doing. That beautiful, nice honey colored oil. So it's not losing oil. Time to put the top down. Are you curious about where we're at? You should watch the end screen. There's a playlist in the end screen. Here we go, Mountain Road test drive. And you can hear it right there. Just annoying. You hear it across the bridge. Something below, it feels like. Sounds like a noise coming from below. Some beautiful country out here though. Gotta figure out what that is. It's bugging me. I would normally pass this guy, but it's a neighborhood. We're trying to be nice. It's just on the acceleration. If you let off the gas, you don't hear it anymore. I mean, once I push into the gas, you hear it. Let off the gas, you don't. Right there. Still making the noise. It does sound like the bottom of the engine though. I don't know, man. I don't know. It's just annoying. annoying. It's a mystery. Back at the bunkhouse. Time to pack up and get out. Meanwhile, back at the shop, started it up. I can't really feel anything, but then again, it's when I'm pushing on the gas that I hear the sound. I replaced this donut back here. Oh, I feel it right there. Over there, coming out of the way. Right in that area. Feel it on my hand. Oh man, it's probably the sound. Or here. Cracks. That's the problem. Right there. And I would have to replace the whole cap. Otherwise, it's just looks so crazy. Get a muffler guy to weld a new one on there.